Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you a written pattern for this little baby cocoon and baby hat with little bear ears on it. And you can find the written instructions below in the first comment, and the instructions are both for knitting it flat and on circular needles. And you can also find out how to make this adorable little patch. You cut one square of felt and then a black heart, smaller than the felt square, and then a smaller red heart. Then stack all three and sew through them with black thread. And then you can attach it to the hat or anywhere else that you would like, even on the little cocoon. So click the first comment and you'll find the written pattern for this baby cocoon set. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.